Hi everyone and welcome to the webinar and the outlook about the current market setups. I'm Christian Stinchek and I've been trading for 10 years now and have been active there on TradingView for the last 5 years. I'm a professional trader and a mentor. My goal is to help improve and become profitable in trading and give you as much knowledge as I can, especially in those short webinars. Okay, you know that those webinars are not long enough, so in this hour and a half, I would love to spread as much knowledge as I can between you guys. So if you have any question during these webinars, feel free to use the chat. I can see both chats for those who are watching me on YouTube and for those who are watching me on TradingView as well. So use it, ask whatever it bothers you, whatever it's not clear to you, and I will make sure that we will discuss about it and make things clear for you. Okay, so before we will start, I would love to tell you that I'm currently building a hedge fund, and the hedge fund will be for everyone who wants to invest and grow his capital. Okay, so there are no knowledge needed for trading and you will be growing your capital. This is some big shit that's happening behind everything. Okay, so let me just check something just a little bit. Are we live on YouTube? Yes, we are live. Okay. I see a lot of you guys are giving me very good feedback and positive feedback, and what I'm the mostly happy about it and what inspires me that I see improving. Okay, I see that you are improving, you are learning from this kind of the webinar. So that's the point of the webinar. I would love to give you as much knowledge as I can to grow your understanding about the market. So at the beginning, give me a few minutes. I would love to share with you what gives me really something big and helps me in my trading and in my trading career to improve. The biggest struggle that I have was that I was stuck with my trading because I'm not investing in myself. Okay, I didn't invest in knowledge and educating myself about trading. So the problem there was that I was constantly working on job to collect the money for the trading account and losing it. And this was going on in loop for a month. So I make a deposit, I grow account, I lose my account. Then again, I make a deposit, I grow account, I lose my account. Then again, make a deposit, grow account and lose my account. Okay, so and this loop has been for a month. Okay, it was keep going, keep repeating. And what was the biggest problem over there was I was learning basically and playing with my money, with the money that I make the deposit with, and spending this money on testing and figuring out something that it's not proven it works. So isn't that a little bit confusing? I basically then in this time I didn't get it, what is going on and why I cannot move forward. So the basic thing was I thought I can make enough money with $2,000 or $5,000 trading accounts and I can make money for a living with this. Okay, if we think realistically, these goals for earning $2,000, $5,000 are achievable with working for someone else and are easy to achieve. So rather go work for money. Okay, with trading this is very low standard, a really low goal to achieve. So this was my problem with my mindset because I was looking too small. I realized if I want to be the rich and if I want to be the successful trader, I have to get out of this middle class thinking and mindset. So let me give you some advice what helps me to not be in this loop of trading. I in some point I just realized that money it's around me. Okay, so you have to do the same. You just need to upgrade yourself and knowledge. Once you have the strategy that really works, money will come to you. So just think about it. How many friends, people, family do you have around you that want to grow account, okay, or are willing to give you the money and you will grow their money for them. Okay, so how many of these people around you are interested in giving you the money if you can grow them at least a few percent per month? Okay, I bet that there are at least three people around you that would love or are willing to give you the money so you can grow their money. Okay, just think about it. Money is just all around you, and there are a lot of people around you willing to make money. So think about just 5 people giving you $10,000. Okay, $10,000. Then you will have a $50,000 trading accounts, and if you have the knowledge that I have and teach people, you can grow this account for 20% in a month. So you can double it in 6 months. This is easy and achieved with my strategy. You can generate $50,000 of profit in 6 months. Now think big. How about if you have $500,000 and double it in 6 months? So you made $500,000 pure profit. Okay, you just have to think big. Okay, this really helps me to open my mind to see that there is a lot of money around me, and I don't need to collect money from my trading account because it will take too long. It takes you too long. And especially if you are taking this money and trading with this account or learning to grow this account, then you will never make it. Okay, so really what is the biggest thing over there is rather take that money, invest it in knowledge, and then with this knowledge which you will get, there are a lot of friends around you that are willing to give you the money. And trust me, they will be very happy if you can grow their money. You will be happy. You will be, of course, making the commission on that. Okay, so as well there was some questions about people wanted to join us and what is the price. Of course, you can see the price on website trademaster.eu, and the membership that you have to pay for my time to teach you the strategy is only $2,000, and it's the lifetime access. You will get everything, and of course you can cover this membership in just a single trade. Okay, depends just on your teachability index and how good you are, how capable of learning are you. And this is really low price. Okay, it only costs $160 per month for a year, and then you will get a lifetime access. Okay, you will get the lifetime access for the trading community. Okay, trading community, it's really good thing because it increases your profitability. It's easy to use. You have a daily setups. Daily setups are for constant updates about those trades and current market situations. So as a member, you'll always be updated about the trades before something will happen, so you will have time to prepare yourself. There are as well the live webinars in Trading Academy. There are the live webinars for all members. Okay, on those webinars you are able to ask questions, get the answers about everything instantly. So instant answers are over there. And of course there are live trades. So trading there in Trading Academy gives you the option to share your trades with professional traders, which will help you with your decisions. Okay, it's really important which decision are you taking, especially if you're new to the trading. And this will help you with your current trades, what to do, how to manage, and what is the next logical action or next logical step that you have to do. And of course, it's really good service. It's friendly and quick service. Every member can always be sure that they will be treated good. You will get the help. You will get all the answers for all your questions. And of course, there is always a my support. Okay, you will get my full support. You can ask me directly about your problems, about your struggles, and I will make sure you will completely understand and get the answer. So as well, at the beginning, what is really good there is you can follow me. You can just follow me and you will make money on following my setups. Okay, by following my setups, you will be making money until you are learning. So really big concept, and there's all what you need to become profitable trader. So let's go now, see that people you are waiting now for Aussie already and gold, please. What else? Okay, so Yesterday, let me just start with the DXY that we've been mentioning yesterday. Some of you guys are texting to me that you learned a lot from this example DXY, which I've been sharing with you yesterday. So let's talk about it a little bit more, because it's developing right now and it's a very good thing. So this is the correction, right? So what we are anticipating now on dollar, it will happen, that has to start breaking down, okay, all the way back at the previous low at least. So this is the correction that I have copied yesterday. Okay, this is the copied correction that we took. We were somewhere there, we were discussing about the news, but I ain't gonna repeat it again. Okay, so if you want to learn something about this correction, which I've been discussing about yesterday, just go back, watch yesterday's recording. Okay, believe me, you will learn a lot. You will get the answers about the news, why we are not relying on the news, how pattern develops, and how news are affecting the patterns. Okay, all those answers are in the yesterday webinar, so make sure you will take some time, watch it. The recording is uploaded on TradingView and as well on YouTube, depends from which platform are you watching me. Okay, so make sure you keep an eye on it, watch it slowly with the understanding. So we are now anticipating a next leg lower, so that will affect EURUSD to go up, right? So if I will show you this one, I'm anticipating this to keep on pushing higher, of course, if DXY drops. Okay, so if we invert the EURUSD chart, we get the what? DXY chart, right? So this is the DXY. DXY has to go lower and EURUSD has to go up. So keep an eye, watch for buy setups over there. It's very important that you keep your focus for the buy. If it drops down, can it still does? Yes, it can, but then you have to ignore it. Okay, that's not the way we are interested in. Okay, this is not for us, and it's not covered with our technique, with our wave analysis, and with patterns. So don't feel frustrated if anything happens to drop down. Okay, just simply ignore it. We are not watching into that direction. And there's as well the pound USD. Pound USD is correcting over there. Still nice flag is in the making. I see this is a nice bounce off, a nice impulse, corrective structure now, and now we have to watch for this leg higher over there. Okay, this is what I'm anticipating. This move has happened on US oil. Okay, let me just give you quick education over there again. Of course, I'm always trying to give you some good things that you can apply in your trading. Look at that one. Okay, so what happened? It drops down, it corrects. What we are facing now on pound USD. Okay, if I'm going to copy that pattern, okay, so I'm going to copy it. Let me just take a copy and go straight to the pound USD. And if I would just paste it over there, whoa, this one. So what happened? What do we have over there? Come on. Ooh. Okay, isn't it the same? Come on. It went down, it went up, it's correcting, it has to go up. Okay, and then it will pull back and then again back up. This will gives you the flat over there and then more upside. This is how structures are developing, and it's supported by the dollar movement. Okay, it supports the dollar movement, so make sure you will I will just bring it back. You will keep an eye on this flag over there that is in the make. Come on, that is in the making. Okay, so this is in the making right now. I would love to see their strong break to the upside and keep on dragging higher. It can just break, pull back once again, and then go higher. This will be just the lower time frame pullback. So keep an eye, watch it. You know what to do. If it drops, ignore. Okay, ignore totally. Then this is not for you. And of course, you should not be a triggering trade from there. Aussie USD, I'm not interested for that one. For that one sell. Okay, so this could still struggle there and still go up. This will be something like this, struggle, and then it can go up over there straight to the upside. Everything depends on the DXY. If DXY starts to drop, then you have a wonderful opportunities across the market. as well. There, this is completed. Okay, New Zealand USD is completed. We break the bottom, and now we are correcting over there. Look at that one. We are sitting nicely over there. I have to show you the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is what you have to keep an eye on it. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. New Zealand USD has to break up this flag over there. It's a very nice flag, and they has to all break up. So I'm sharing with you very good charts, very good setup. So make sure you will put it on your watch list and trade it, of course. Okay, put some focus on it and make money out of these trades. I think the potential is very nice and big over there. Then what we have a question about Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen. I will make sure that we done this one. So let's answer the Aussie yen that you guys are asking me. Aussie yen is very good chart. Okay, look at that one. Why is it good? Okay, all yen pairs are looking great. They are in this structure over there, sitting at the top. Okay, look at that one. And now we are pushing lower. So what we have to do, what is our next move that we should do? Okay, this is completed, and we have to go at least back at this trend line. So we are already having a day, a 1 hour flag. Okay, this 1 hour flag. So keep your eyes over there that the price will break down and take the sell. Take the sell on strong break to the downside, because this has a nice potential and you can make nice money over there. At least how much? 400 pip. 400 pip is there, and it's a very beautiful trade. A lot of potential is over there and should be on your radar. Okay, make sure it's on your radar. And I want that every one of you will make money if this will drop down aggressively. Okay, so immediately put it on your watch list, make it as an important chart and watch it closely. Okay, just don't lose your patience. Same there. Okay, wait for sharp. I wrote there. Okay, this is why I wrote over there, because I have updated the published idea on TradingView, and this is the reason why this text is over there. So wait for a sharp breakdown. Same there. Okay, how big potential do we have over there? Very good potential. It's over there as well. I think we've been discussing about this yesterday. Okay, this structure is completed. Okay, this is the 1, 2, 3, and the third movement. So this will be the correction for one more leg higher and then drop down. So keep an eye there for this flag and take the sell. Okay, sell has a nice potential, of course, as compared to the other yen pairs. So make sure you will catch them. Put it on your watch list and watch it. Even on 15 minutes. 15 minutes is as well good time frame to watch. Okay, so this will be your time frame to watch. That's gonna happen today. Okay, I'm anticipating a breakdown today, sharp breakdown today, so keep an eye on it. Okay, so those are really important charts that I'm marking currently for you guys. You just have to take some time and watch it. What else do we have over there? I will share what else I'm watching. Okay, I'm if you have questions, just use the chat and ask, of course. Euro Chief, this is what I'm anticipating over there. It still didn't complete it. Okay, that's gonna be the one more lower, and then we are going up. Okay, this still has to go up. This is the daily view, and I'm keep following this correction. Okay, so this still has to break to the upside. We can tag the low, but it still will come back at that trend line at least. So watch that one closely. And there was the question about the gold. Of course, gold did an amazing job yesterday. This is the correction that I was sharing with you. So this has to go lower. That's the direction we are trading in, and this is the wave that we want. Okay, so what we have there, 4 hour, nothing interested. It's completed structure, let's say like this. Okay, so this is the completed structure. And 1 hour, what it's doing? It's correcting right now, as I can see. Okay, so let me just delete that arrow. It will not confuse us. So look at that one. We are currently correcting. Okay, if you didn't, what the hell is this trend line doing there? If you didn't take this sell yesterday, if you didn't take this sell, if you didn't take this sell, you're having a less chance before this DXY will drop lower. So keep an eye. If it breaks up, just ignore it. Okay, this is how simple it is. This is the strategy that will prevent you from having the bad trades or the trades that are not going into your direction. Okay, if trade is not going into your direction, you should not be in the trade. And this is the strategy that will keeps you away from having the bad trades, from the trades that are not in your direction. Okay, why? Because I will be only watching for the sell if this drops down aggressively. Otherwise, I'm not interested. If it goes up, okay, let it do whatever it wants to do. I will just stay away. I will not push it. I will not sell it from there because someone said I should sell the trend line. No, that's a bullshit. Okay, that's a bullshit. Just watch it. Very good chart as well. This is your correction. So keep your eyes for the sharp break to the downside. Good luck to everyone. I'm already having the sell over there. I'm having the sell from there, somewhere there, I think it is. What else? Aussie Chief. Do you have to say anything? Very nice. Okay, so this is how structure works. This is how structure works. But this didn't drop down because of this 15-minute time frame. It even didn't drop because of 1 hour. It drops because of the daily. Look at that one. Okay, I've been sharing this structure with you since very long. It's almost published on TradingView profile, on my profile. If you go, you will see once this was in the making, I shared the analysis somewhere there, I think it was, that it will break down. So prepare yourself for the breakdown. So what it's currently doing is breaking down. How far? It has to go back at the trend line. So very nice potential to be made over there. We've been watching this in the academy. I've been sharing with members of the academy this setup. Okay, so this is the big benefit being into the academy. I'm always constantly updating the setups before they even appear. Okay, so my traders and the members of the academy have time to prepare themselves for the setup. It doesn't happen in 1 second. You always have at least a 15-minute, half an hour, or an hour. Okay, and you know what to do. You just have to follow it. Okay, and all of members, I'm 90% sure that most of them are having this trade. Okay, 90% traders are having this trade over there. And we will be holding it. Okay, we will be holding it as much as we can. Okay, we want to take as much profit out of this one. Aussie Chief. So what else? Aussie Cat. Aussie Cat is going down, but I'm not interested for this one yet. Okay, I will just simply ignore it. I really don't like it. That's not for me. We are in the middle of the structure, and I don't love to be in the middle of the structure. This can go up and can go down, so don't chase it. I will just put it down. It's not for me and not for us. We have a question about the Euro USD prediction. Okay, we already done the Euro USD prediction, but let me just share with you once again. Okay, this is the prediction that we are sharing with you and that we are predicting. So what and why is the reason about Euro USD? It's the DXY, the dollar. Okay, dollar, it's showing a nice structure for more downside. Okay, for more details about those structures, you will have to go and watch the yesterday's recording. Okay, I went into details. I give you all the answers, all the explanations. So most of you yesterday who've been there got a lot of knowledge. Okay, so what else? Your GBP, this is the chart that is going up. Very nice. Okay, this chart was as well in the academy. It's exactly from the academy. Okay, in morning we've been discussing about your GBP chart over there, and what it's doing is going up nicely. Okay, so wonderful trade. Wonderful trade. Can I take more trades? Yes. Okay, so if you're not in, just wait for some kind of the correction, keep on buying it. You can buy it at least back at the previous low. Okay, so this will be this will be your target. This is what you can get out, but wait for the correction, wait for the correction, wait for the correction. Okay, so I'm always keep repeating, just wait for the correction. Okay, don't go now into the trade, because anytime soon this has to correct. It has to give you some sideways before it will continue its direction to the upside. Right? So very good chart as well. So now you guys, which question do we have to answer now? Let's see. Yeah, Ozian, it's setting up for a sell. Yeah, that's true. Very good and very nice sell setup on Ozian. It's setting up, right? Here it is. That's what we want to see. We want to see it keep dragging lower. Very good. So eyes on this setup. Very good, and with a nice potential setup. It's over there. Okay, so these are my setups that I am keeping my eyes on. Okay, my eyes are on those setups. They are the most, let's say, confirmed on, or with the most potential. I filter them out always. I always changing this watch list because I have ready to watch chart, and always putting charts that are almost ready over there, so I can keep an eye on them. DXY is going down nicely. Okay, so very good, very good. I think this during the day this has to push down more aggressive. Okay, that should not stop by the previous low. Okay, this will give you some flat and can go another leg higher and then to go up if do so. Okay, so watch it what the price will do around the previous low. It should not stop over there. Okay, no stop, should just go boom. So let me just was the Bitcoin. Let me just see the Bitcoin. What the Bitcoin is trying to do? Nothing there. Okay, so any buy, just close it. Okay, that's not a buy setup. Just close the buy setup. It's not looking good, and you have to give it some more time. Okay, this is not a clear sense of direction. Nothing is confirmed. Okay, if this wants to break down, that has to do something like this, and like this one. Okay, I've mentioned this correction yesterday. Same, we need this, and then we know we are going down, so don't go lower. Okay, so we have one question: how can we see the pairs because it's so tiny? Maybe you can bold them a little for us to note them down and keep watch. You mean, how can we see? You mean you don't see the title of the pairs, or what we are discussing about? Because you have on multiple spots what I'm currently watching. Okay, so you can see what I'm currently watching there. It's written there, and it's written there. It's even written there. So I don't know what you can see. That should be visible nicely. Okay, make sure you're watching on bigger screen. Okay, I'm using bigger screen, so that may cause a problem. If you watch it with phone, that could be really small, yeah. So Bitcoin, you know what to do. Don't chase it. Okay, let it confirm something. Let it give you something that is reliable. Okay, this is not reliable. This is not reliable. Can it drop down? Yes, it can, but you should not be chasing it. Okay, something like this would be great. Very, very good. just watch this one as well. So if there are no any new questions, I will end the webinar slowly. If you guys remember any question, you can just leave a comment under the video. Okay, the video will be uploaded on YouTube, so on my channel you'll be able to see the video. Okay, you can see all of them. Okay, by watching them you will learn something new, so watch it if you want to improve your knowledge. Yesterday I was there at 12:30, 1:30. Okay, so I couldn't go live that late on because I saw the DXY is almost ready, and that's the reason why I went live immediately. Okay, this is what I'm doing always. If I see something is ready, then I'm not waiting. Okay, it's not worth of waiting. Okay, you have to be ready on time. Market will not wait on you. Okay, so this is it, everyone. Take care. Keep those setups on your watch list. Okay, keep an eye, watch it if you want to make some money, and let me know how it goes. Okay, if you have questions, let me know if you're improving and so on. Take care, enjoy your day, and see you. Bye bye, everyone.